A very good afternoon from Kilimanjaro International Airport. After an exciting 5-day stay here enjoying the rich wildlife of Tanzania, I'm now heading back to Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Today I'm going to be flying on Ethiopian Airlines Airbus A350. So let's head inside the terminal. Right, here I am in the departures lounge of Kilimanjaro International Airport. The check-in was a bit chaotic. The check-in area is pretty small and there are security checks at literally every 20 feet. But thankfully check-in was done in about 15 to 20 minutes and now I'm here and about to go into the lounge. Let's see how the lounge at Kilimanjaro International Airport is.
The terminal at Kilimanjaro International Airport is quite small and essentially consists of a check-in area, a departure hall, a few duty-free and souvenir shops and a lounge. You need to go to the first floor or the second floor if you are from the US to access the lounge.
Right, so I am at the Twiga Airport lounge at Kilimanjaro Airport. This is our designated lounge for Ethiopian Airlines frequent flyer members. Our aircraft today to Addis Ababa is an Airbus A350-900 and it has arrived here already a few hours ago.
Let's do a quick walkthrough of the Twiga lounge. The lounge is small but has a welcoming decor and a nice view of the tarmac. There's a small selection of wines and spirits with some bar snacks to go along. The food selection is pretty limited with only a handful of hot dishes and some pastries and muffins. Then there is a chiller with a selection of beers and sodas, and there's tea and coffee as well.
So I'm at the Twiga lounge at the Kilimanjaro International Airport. It's a nice little lounge, not too big but decently stocked. It's about an hour and 15 minutes to go till our departure, so boarding should commence in the next half an hour or so. Right now I'm enjoying a chilled bottle of Kilimanjaro beer. Cheers.
Boarding was announced soon and I made my way down to the departure gate where there was a small queue of people waiting to board.
Alright, so boarding has commenced and I'm making my way to our Airbus A350. There are no aero bridges at this airport and you have to walk across the tarmac to reach the aircraft. Really exciting.
It's almost a 100-meter walk to the aircraft, but thankfully it was pleasant and windy, so it wasn't too tiring. Taking me to Addis this evening is a 4-year-old Airbus A350-900 ETAYB. Once inside, I didn't have to walk much as I was seated in 12L, a starboard side window seat in the second row with a view of our Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engine out of the window.
Welcome aboard Ethiopian Airlines flight. የእጅ ሻንጣችሁን ከላይ በሚገኘው የዕቃ ማስቀመጫ ውስጥ ወይም ከፊት ለፊቶ ከሚገኘው ወንበር ስር ያስቀምጡት። ሻንጣዎች በመተላለፊያ መንገድ ወይንም በመውጫ በሮች አካባቢ አለማስቀመጥ።
In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will drop in front of you. When this occurs, place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Make sure your mask is well adjusted before helping others.
Since we were parked on the apron at a remote bay, there was no pushback and we simply powered up and started taxiing. turned left after climbing out of Kilimanjaro Airport and something special appeared. Mount Kilimanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa with its snow-covered peak, could be seen out of the window. Truly magnificent. After admiring the view outside, I decided to look inside and explore the in-flight entertainment system, starting with the flight map, which for some reason was broken on this aircraft. Let's look at the movie selection then. Ethiopian has a good selection of movies ranging from the latest blockbusters to all-time classics and a collection of world cinema that includes movies from Arabia, India, Brazil, Europe and many other regions. The IFE system on this A350 is very responsive to touch and loads quickly. Moving on to TV, here again there is a wide variety of content from short films to comedy to entire TV series and kids shows. There's also a decent audio selection available with music from a variety of genres along with audiobooks and podcasts. My selection this evening is the final season of The Big Bang Theory. Note how quickly the show loads, and that too without ads. Dinner is served on this 2-hour sector and consisted of a vegetable pulao along with some chicken curry, couscous salad, a bread roll and some crackers and cookies for dessert. Ethiopian serves wine in a miniature bottle along with a plastic cup. The weather along the route today was calm and clear, and there was no turbulence at all.
So we're just about 45 minutes from landing into Addis Ababa. Let's do a quick loo review.
The restroom on this aircraft was pretty standard for an A350 and was well maintained. However, there were no amenities available except hand wash liquid. This is one area where Ethiopian can do much better. Soon the captain announced our descent into Addis, and that is my cue to summarize my Ethiopian experience. The A350 is a fantastic aircraft, quiet, modern and offers incredible range. Ethiopian A350s are no different, although I still found the seat upholstery a bit shabby. Nothing major though. The onboard service was efficient, although the meal quality could be improved. I mean, who serves a pack of cookies for dessert? Alright, let's enjoy a landing into Pole International Airport.
and gentlemen, we have just landed at Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, Bole International Airport. The local time is 10 minutes past 2, 7 p.m. For your safety and comfort, please fasten until the voice message off.
We parked at a remote bay next to a company Boeing 777, and yet again I had to take a bus ride at Addis Ababa. The Airbus A350 is such a beautiful aircraft from both the inside and the outside. On the brighter side, a bus ride around the apron gives you a nice plane spotting opportunity, so it isn't too bad. After a 5-minute ride, we were let off at the arrivals area, which did not look too crowded. In fact, the arrivals area is quite nice, brightly lit and well marked. I was going to enter Addis Ababa, so I made my way to the arrivals immigration, which again had a Star Alliance gold track lane. Nice. Immigration was done quickly and I made my way down to the baggage reclaim area, which was quite empty.
Welcome to Bole International Airport, Addis Ababa. It was a good flight today on Ethiopian Airlines, and here I am in Ethiopia. Hope you enjoyed this review. See you on my next flight. Bye-bye.